My first day at school. My name is Jake. I am 6 years old. Today is a big day for me. It is my first day at school. I feel happy and a little nervous. My mom and dad wake me up early. "Good morning, Jake," my mom says. "It is time to get ready for school." I get out of bed and wash my face. Then I brush my teeth. My mom helps me put on my new school uniform. It is blue and white. I wear my new shoes too. They are black and shiny. I feel special in my school clothes. After that, I eat breakfast. My dad makes pancakes. I love pancakes. I drink a glass of milk. "You need energy for school," my dad says. I smile and eat my food. My backpack is ready. It is blue, my favorite color. Inside I have my books, pencils, and a lunchbox. My mom packs a sandwich, an apple, and a small juice box for me. At 7:30 a.m., we leave the house. My school is not far. My mom holds my hand as we walk. I see other children with their parents. Some children smile, and some look shy. When we reach the school gate, a teacher greets us. "Good morning. Welcome to your first day at school," she says. She has a warm smile. I feel a little better. My mom hugs me. "Have a great day, Jake," she says. "I will pick you up later." I wave goodbye and follow the teacher into the school. Inside, the classroom is bright and colorful. There are small desks and chairs. I see pictures, books, and toys. Many children are sitting at their desks. I choose a seat near the window. "Hello, everyone," the teacher says. "My name is Ms. Lily. I am your teacher. Let us introduce ourselves." One by one, children say their names. When it is my turn, I stand up and say, "My name is Jake." My voice is quiet, but the teacher smiles and says, "Nice to meet you, Jake." We learn new things in class. Ms. Lily shows us the alphabet and numbers. We sing a song about colors. It is fun. I start to feel happy. At recess, we go outside to play. I meet a boy named Tom. "Do you want to play with me?" he asks. "Yes," I say. We run and play on the swings. I laugh a lot. After playtime, we go back to the classroom. Ms. Lily tells us a story. It is about a little bear who goes to school. I like the story. Soon, it is lunchtime. I take out my lunchbox. Tom sits next to me. "What do you have?" he asks. "A sandwich and an apple," I say. "Me too," he says. We eat together and talk. In the afternoon, we draw pictures. I draw a house with a big tree. Ms. Lily says, "Good job, Jake." I feel proud. Later, we learn about animals. Ms. Lily shows us pictures of cats, dogs, elephants, and lions. "What is your favorite animal?" she asks. "I like dogs," I say. "I like cats," says Tom. We talk about different animals and their sounds. After that, we learn how to write our names. I hold my pencil and try my best. "Very good, Jake," Ms. Lily says. She puts a sticker on my paper. I feel happy. Then we have music class. We sing songs and clap our hands. The music teacher, Mr. Ben, plays the guitar. We sing, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star." It is fun. At 2 p.m., we go to the playground again. This time, we play soccer. I kick the ball, and Tom runs fast. We laugh and cheer. I like playing with my new friends. Back in the classroom, Ms. Lily reads another story. This one is about a rabbit who finds a big carrot. We all listen carefully. I like listening to stories. Before the day ends, we color pictures. I color a big sun and a blue sky. Tom colors a red car. We show our pictures to Ms. Lily. "Great job," she says. We also do a small craft project. Ms. Lily gives us paper, glue, and scissors. "Let us make a school bus," she says. We cut and paste shapes to create a yellow school bus. I like using glue and making things with my hands. After finishing the craft, we have a short quiz. Ms. Lily asks us questions about the alphabet and numbers. I raise my hand and answer, "A, B, C, D." She nods and says, "Well done, Jake." Then, we practice writing again. Ms. Lily gives us worksheets. I trace the letters and numbers. "Writing takes practice," she says. I try my best. At 3 p.m., school is over. My mom waits for me outside. "How was your first day?" she asks. "It was fun," I say. "I made a new friend." She smiles and hugs me. "I am proud of you, Jake," she says. On the way home, I tell her about my teacher, my friend Tom, and the fun things we did. I tell her about the songs, the stories, and the games. She listens and smiles. When we reach home, I change my clothes and wash my hands. Then, I sit at the table. My mom gives me some cookies and milk. "You worked hard today," she says. After my snack, I take out my notebook. I draw a picture of my classroom. I draw Ms. Lily, Tom, and my desk. My mom looks at my drawing and says, "That is wonderful, Jake." In the evening, my dad comes home. "How was your first day?" he asks. "It was amazing," I say. I tell him everything. He smiles and pats my head. "I'm happy for you, Jake." Later, I play with my toys. I tell my teddy bear about my day. "School is fun," I say to him. My teddy bear smiles back. At night, I take a bath and put on my pajamas. My mom reads me a bedtime story. It is about a little boy who loves school. I listen with a smile. I close my eyes and think about my day. It was a great first day. I cannot wait to go to school again tomorrow. I love my school. I love my teacher. I love my new friend. School is fun.